Hey, what's up, beautiful people? Thank you for stopping by my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Melly. You can subscribe hitting that little red button if you love seeing unboxings, beauty videos, things like that. Also, I do have a social media account, so you will find those down below. If you like watching reels, wearable makeup, I do that on my Instagram. And let's jump into the BoxyCharm. So this is the premium box that is sent for PR. I do receive one that I am subscribed to myself, so you will see that later on. I usually put like not PR on the front of the video so you guys know which ones are mine. But this one is sent for PR. I also have an affiliate link, like to be up front and honest with you guys. Anyways, so first thing is the card is always this month is Bubbles and Glitz, and you guys can find the Luxe box and the base box on my channel as well. So this is version number 2, and the first thing in here is the Vise Art Neutral Matte Milieu 14 12 pan eyeshadow palette. These are $80 each. I've never bought one of these because they is pricey. So I am so happy that I'm gonna be able to get 2, because in my premium box I actually picked this as my choice as well. Not these colors, the neutral ones. So now I'm gonna have 2 of them. I'm so excited. But I did do this look in the try on portion using these shades. It's an all matte palette, 12 shades. These are made in France and are supposed to be like the creme de la creme. Yeah, and does it say? Yeah, in Paris. They're made in Paris. And they are soft, very blendable, gorgeous, gorgeous. And I love that this one has like pops of color. I actually picked the all neutral one because I think it's going to be a great like palette to bring out to play with other palettes. You know, like sometimes palettes don't have enough neutral or enough transition shades, and these are amazing for that. And especially getting it in BoxyCharm, yes. And I also saw that they had these in the add-on. They have it in their pop-up store, and I think they only had it for like $9, which is a steal, because anywhere else you were gonna pay $80 for these. So stick around for the try on portion if you want to see that. And this is the little box that it comes in. Next thing in here is the LMS Peptide Plumping Pillow Facial. This is $65. It says it is clinically proven to moisturize, leave skin looking younger and plumped. Ooh, I might have to give this a try. It's a hydrating sleep mask. And LMS is pretty pricey, but not too bad. This is $65, and this is what it looks like. Oh, that looks so nice. And you guys know that if I have extra stuff, ooh, I am definitely gonna try this. It has like a nice smell to it, which I enjoy. I will try this at night and see if I feel a little bit more younger, because your homegirl is about to be 40 in a year or 2, so I'm trying my best like to avoid Botox so far. Next thing in here is the True and Luscious Lucky Glow palette. This is $46. I had never heard of this brand. I have a lot of these face palettes, but this really called out to me, so I wanted to try it. If I get one in my own premium box, I will put this in a giveaway. I'm trying to get quite a few products together to do another big giveaway for you guys. I'll probably just announce it randomly in one of my videos and then also put it on my Instagram. So these are the shades in here. These shimmers are like in your face, glowy, beautiful. Hopefully you guys will see that on my cheek. Gorgeous. And then it has 2 really nice matte contour and a matte blush as well. Really like this palette. Very gorgeous shades in here. Kind of reminds me of like the Jeffree Star kind of vibe to it on this highlight. Yeah. But very beautiful. So I wanted to go ahead and give it a go, and you will see that as well in the try on portion. So I will be keeping that, and like I said, that is how much? $46. Next is the Glam Glow Eye Boost Reviving Sheet Mask. This is $18. This is for the set, and it comes with 2 of them. I will be trying these out and probably posting how I look on my stories, but super, super cool. One of them is like a full face mask, and then the other one's like just for your eyes. So this one is like for your whole face, and this one is just like for that eye area. And if you guys see my stories, I'm always using like eye patches underneath my eye. That is like the area where you start getting crinkly first. So I'm always trying to take care of that area, try to keep it as smooth as I can. And like I said, that's $18. Next thing is the Crown All Eyes on You 5-piece Luxe brush set. This is $34.95. I will be giving this away. I have so many brushes, and I feel like a lot of these crease brushes are really big brushes for somebody with bigger eyes, so I won't be able to use this as much. And as you can see here, these brushes are pretty big, so I will put this as well in a giveaway. I also got like Luxie brushes in my other one, and we'll be putting those in giveaways as well, so watch out, got some giveaways coming for you. And then the last thing in here is $20. It's the Elizabeth Mott It's Big Volumizing Mascara. This is $20. I have, you know, like probably like 15 mascaras that I need to go through, so I haven't been like in all my subscriptions, even my personal ones and PR ones, I've been giving away mascaras because I don't want them to go bad just waiting for me to use them. So it's called It's So Big. That's what she said. No, I'm just playing. But this is what the wand looks like. It looks like a really nice wand, but we'll also just pop this into a giveaway for you guys. It looks like a really nice one to try out. And it is volume, long, curling. It says no smudge. It's supposed to be like waterproof and tear proof and sweat proof. So yeah, hopefully somebody will like this. Yeah, and that's it. Oh, you know what? I might try this. It says it's a tubing mascara. If it is a true tubing mascara, I might keep it. So we shall see. Because I love the Thrive Cosmetics one. That is my ride or die mascara. And I probably wouldn't have tried that if it wasn't for a subscription box. I think I got it on a BoxyCharm and fell in love with it. And I repurchased that mascara day and night. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the try on portion for you guys so you guys can see me do this look. Put on these cheek products and yeah, let me stop blabbing. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is use this palette right here. I have a lot of these palettes, but I don't know why these shades really called to me, especially this speckle one. Ooh, child. So I'm gonna try this. If I do get this in my own premium box, I will put this in a giveaway. So I'm testing out some products in these videos, in my PR ones, and then I'll test some in my own not PR ones. So let's go ahead. I just dipped into both of the bronzing shades. One's a little bit more warmer, one's a little bit more cooler. So I'm just going to bronze up my face a little bit with these. And they blend really nicely. Oh yes. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and take this stippling brush and go into the blush, that peachy brush, little blush in the middle, and just see what this shade looks like on my cheekity cheeks. Ooh, she is pigmented, and I'm using a stippling brush, so it you know, it goes on a little bit lighter with stippling brushes. But okay, and there are 3 shimmer shades in here. Ooh, oh my god, those look so icy and gorgeous. Whew. This one, I love the name. It's called Heaven Scent, and this one 777s. I don't know why, I just really want to go into this one because it has that like marbling, like this I don't know, this gorgeous texture. Let's see what it looks like on. Oh, okay, it looks soft right now. Let's build it up. Let's build it up. Let's see if we can highlight like a crazy person. Oh, that is pretty. Do you guys see that? Ooh, let's add a little bit of Heaven Scent on top of that. Oh, yes. Oh, I like these highlights. That is like beaming in your face, popping. Ooh, she is pretty, 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 pretty. Oh, I like this. This is such a pretty palette. I've never heard of this brand, but yes. Oh God, those shimmers. This shimmer. Ooh, yes, 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 yes. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of my face, and we are gonna do the eyeshadow palette together as well. And we are about to play with the Vizard palette. I'm so excited that they sent me this in my PR one because I actually picked the other one, the all neutral one, for my own premium box. So we will play with that when that one comes in. I've always wanted to try one of these, but these are like 80 bucks each for these matte palettes. They're made in France, if I'm not mistaken, and they're supposed to be super blendable, super high end, you know, the creme de la creme. And we will play with this now. And then with my other, when my not PR box comes, we will play with the other one. So I'm so excited that I got this one and this. Let's go ahead and start playing with it. Wow, there's like a lot of color. There's a few pops of color. There's the red, the blue, the pink, and orange. I want to do, I think, a warm look with this. So we're going to go in with this kind of a mustardy color. I'm going to do one eye on camera, and then I'll do everything else off camera, and then you know how the jig goes. And I got my little Miss Piggy mirror here. I have to be careful because sometimes when I'm editing, I'll notice that I'll block your view. So we're gonna go in with that mustard. Ooh, child, these are super, you know, just soft and blendable from the get-go. Wow. I have a 6-pan palette by them. It has 3 mattes and 3 shimmers, and I really like that one, but because of the price point, sometimes I've held myself back from buying so much Vizard. Is it Viseart or Vizard? Somebody's probably gonna correct me. You know, tomato. And then I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush, and I think I'm gonna go in with that orange that's right next to it. And maybe I'll put the red all over the lid. We'll see. And so that way we'll see how these play. Ooh, these blend so nice. They do have kick up, but the quality is really there. Blend into each other like butter. Okay, and this is gonna be an all matte look because that's all there is in this palette. So this is a good complementary palette with other palettes. You know what? I am gonna go into that red and see how that applies all over the lid. I'm a little nervous, but we're going to do this. We're just gonna work with it. Oh, wow. Oh, that is pretty. That is pretty. These are super pigmented, just really nice quality. I actually like just the way that looks by itself, and I think just to make it a little bit fun, I think I'm gonna just pop the blue underneath the lash line, and hopefully that will all go well together. And I'm gonna do it with one of these smaller, more detailed brushes. But this is so nice. I can't wait to like add and incorporate other shades with this. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep this really close to the lash line. That is pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, finish the other eye, finish this whole look, and come back with my final thoughts for you guys. So for my final thoughts, I think this premium box is so good. I'm so excited to get my own. And like I said, I will have that video coming for you guys. I will put the total value around here. Premium boxes are $35 a month. You have to be subscribed to BoxyCharm. I think you have to be in the base box to be able to upgrade to the premium, if I'm not mistaken, but totally worth it. Like I said, not only do I get PR, but I am subscribed to them as well. I will be putting together giveaways for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram down below. I appreciate all the love, support. I try to get back to a lot of the comments as I can, especially if you want to ask me something, do it through Instagram. That's where you will find me the fastest. But yeah, let me know what you guys thought. What are you looking forward to? What were your choices? Share down below. Thank you guys for all your support. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.